Okay? Ito yung album.
Yeah.
Oh, sige. And we would like to promote our album. It's actually under Star Records. Ayan, thank you so much. You can grab a copy of it. It's only 199 pesos.
How many songs are there in the album?
7 original songs and 1 cover.
Ano yung cover?
You have to buy the album para malaman niya.
Surprise ba ito?
Pero sige na nga, para lang sa'yo by Aiza Segura. So this was a different flavor, kaya kailangan niya talaga bumili para mapakinggan niyo kung ano yung Rouge version.
Cool, okay. This is under distribution from...
Star Records.
I see, I understand. Kasi meron tayong mga kilala rin sa Star Records. Okay, all-female band, mga kaibigan, girl group, napakinggan nyo, husay, tumugtog, nag-harmonize sila lahat. Ang galing, pati yung, pati yung instrumento. Sa violin, as an instrument na incorporate sa isang girl band, ngayon ko lang yata napakinggan. Sa girl band,
Sa girl band, yeah.
Yeah.
kasi mostly meron gumagamit din yan, like sabihin na natin, like si Eunice ng Grace Note uses, di ba? Tapos ako naman sa ibang band, Silent Sanctuary, correct?
Yes.
Ayun. Pero sa girl band, eto, malupit. Okay. Anything that you'd like to make mention of regarding the promotion pass of your album?
Yes, actually.
We'd like to invite you to like our Facebook page and at www.facebook.com/Rouge All Girl. That is spelled as ROUGEALLGIRL.
Also, you could follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Just search for Rouge All Girl. Yan. And also, sa YouTube po namin, meron po kaming mga videos. Though wala pa po kaming music video, pero meron kami doon mga live.
Yeah.
Mga live videos.
Okay. Anything that you'd like to add on regarding activities? Events?
Yeah,
Gigs?
upcoming gigs.
And every Tuesdays, nasa Giants Antipolo po kami. Every Tuesdays from 9:30 p.m. onwards. This coming Thursday, we will be playing in Cable Car in Tomas Morato.
That's tomorrow.
Yes, that's tomorrow. And on Friday on Oliva Gastro Music Pub, Marcos Highway.
Okay. Thank you very much, girls.
Can we greet?
Sure, why not?
First, I'd like to greet our managers, Mamita JP
Yes.
Montilla and Paolo Zarate, who is actually here with us. Thank you, Sir Paolo. And also Pinky Toes, yung shoes po namin, like to greet Giselle Campis. Thank you for our Pinky Toe shoes.
Later siguro. What? Some more?
Yeah, Hair Techniques pa yung hair sponsors namin, yung BPA Cosmetics.
Compania del Color. Thank you so much for taking care of our hair.
And thank you so much, okay? In addition to that, later on siguro we'll talk it over regarding your music pa sa Pinas FM 95.5 para matingnan natin yung iba pang pag-uusapan natin regarding your group, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for Rouge!
The song we played earlier is entitled Perfecto, and this time we're about to play Now Na. Yeah.
Yeah, and hope you like this one.
What are you gonna do kung may gusto kang makamtan? What will happen to you kung tatambay ka lang dyan? Ikaw ang susi sa iyong hopes and dreams. Di ka magsisisi, you'll know what I mean. Don't get discouraged when you stumble and fall. Dahil kung ikaw ay babangon, winner ka after all. Go lang ng go, makakamtan mo rin. Persistence ang sekreto, maaabot mo rin.
God won't give you mountains you cannot climb. You get to the peak one step at a time. Believe it, achieve it. Magharap ka at lumipad. You make it, just do it. No one
Rouge. Now na.
Andito na tayo, now na. Extra na tayo, now na.
Sayang gusto pa natin extend kaya
Oo
kailangan na
nga.
natin umalis. Now na, mamamayang konti.
Yes, maya ng konti, di ba? Syempre. Okay, yan. Salamat ng maraming Rouge Band. Second time yun na, tama? Yes.
Kaya, bakit wala ako nung
Oo
una?
nga, ako rin. Oh my God, ako rin.
Ako lang
Bakit wala?
nakakaalala.
Bakit, ha?
Ayun, di ba? Salamat ng maraming sa napakagaling ng performance. Ang galing talagang hinahangaan ko na kayo. Nung unang naging guest kayo dito, hanggang sa ngayon, nahangaan pa rin namin kayo. Wow.
Having us. Thank you so much. for
Yes, thank you so much. At ayan po, meron po tayong update. Letter Zen Music is nominated for the 28th PMPC Star Awards for Television for Best Musical Variety Show category. Thank you so much, PMPC, and thank you to all the viewers of Letters and Music.
Yes.
Salamat po ng maraming sa inyong
Yes,
lahat.
please continue to support OPM and also support our page. Charot, ganun.
Siyempre.
Anyways, in case you forgot or you don't know what the page is, check us out at facebook.com/lettersandmusic. And if you want to write to us, you can write to us at lettersandmusic25@gmail.com. Ayan.
Yes. Siyempre, ayan po guys, abangan po ninyo bukas ang another edition ng L&M International Request o Letters and Music International Request. Okay, wala na.
Meron
Solve
pa.
na, okay na.
Baka may greetings ka, Raymond Stone.
Wala, mamaya, usap-usap kami
Ay,
sa
kung
Pinas
bumate.
FM 95 maya-maya. Kwentuhan to the max kami regarding sa kanilang music, of course. All-female band. Great.
Okay, we do have a special greeting though.
Okay,
We have a
Okay,
that's great.
special
sino?
greeting.
Sige.
Okay, special birthday greetings to Lynn Mantilla and Princess Mantilla of Tagumpay, Rizal. Greetings coming from Daddy Mante Mantilla. So happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, happy birthday. Okay, salamat po ng maraming sa nakasama namin ngayon dito sa Letters and Music. And of course, sa ating very special guest, the Rouge, diba? Rouge ba? Or the Rouge?
Rouge.
Rouge.
Thank you,
Rouge
Rouge.
lang
Thank you
pala.
so much,
Tagayan na
girls.
naman. Thank you so
Rouge,
much.
you're gonna be huge!
Sana bumalik kayo ulit dito, ah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, kami po ang inyong mga kaibigan na nakasama ngayon. Ako po si Hazel.
Ako si Rachel.
Ako naman po, si Raymond Stone ng Pinas FM
Lumipat ka pa.
95.5. Happy
See you
birthday!
guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Letters and Music, the story of your life. Relaxing, easy listening. Letters and Music. Letters and Music.